Hello and welcome to Oz by Drone, and I'm Greg. Today I'm going to have a look at how to get your DJI equipment to talk to Wirecast. This could be an Osmo, a Phantom, a Mavic, or any equipment that's able to send custom RTMP. Now, normally Wirecast is able to connect to something that is an RTMP listener, but instead we want to have an RTMP pusher hitting Wirecast. Unfortunately, the DJI equipment can only push, but unfortunately, also, the Wirecast equipment doesn't listen. So we need something in between. And the solution that I've come up with is to look at Nginx. Now, Nginx is normally a web server that you would use to host web information on the internet. But there's also a module available that can allow it to act as a RTMP proxy. So I did a build of Nginx on my Mac. Now, I'm not going to go over the process today of how to build it, but once you do have it built, the configuration is pretty simple. The lines that you can see in red there are the additional lines that you'd need to put at the end of your Nginx configuration file. So assuming you've done that, you just start Nginx by typing nginx and it will start for you. Once you've done that, you'll need to go into your properties within Wirecast and within your DJI equipment. So what do you do there? So on the screen now in a couple of moments, I'm just going to get up. Here's my web stream properties, and I've got the RTMP : then I've got the IP address or the host name of the computer. This can be your Wirecast machine or it can be a separate machine. And I've got a port number. So that port number is 1935, the standard RTMP port. And in this case, I've got /live. Now, there are other possibilities with regard to the URL that you're going to use, but I'll keep it simple for now. So once you've got all that done, what does it actually all look like? Now, in the background over here, I'm going to show you, as soon as I click there, that is coming from my DJI equipment that's sitting to my left right now. So it's filming me and it's giving me an RTMP source. Now, this is not something that you would want to use as a primary camera source into Wirecast. It's causing delay. As you can see, my talking right now is significantly behind what it is that's being said. I wonder if I can actually put that down here. And I'll overlay myself so that we can have a look at that. I'll duplicate that shot. So that we can have a look at that. And then I'll delete that. Okay, let's try that. And then I'll delete that. Okay, let's try that. If I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see how long it is. It's about 5 seconds delay for that particular camera feed. But if you do want to do something where you've got a remote reporter and it's going to come in via RTMP or a drone or something like that that isn't able to come into Wirecast any other way, this is a really good option. Now, just to quickly talk about this in a little bit more detail. So the testing that I've done, I did a shutdown of the DJI application, DJI Go, and restarted it, and that worked just fine. I did a shutdown of Wirecast and restarted it, and it worked just fine. The only tricky thing is if you shut down the Nginx proxy and you restart that in the middle, you will also need to reconnect in Wirecast, and you will also need to restart and reconnect your remote equipment. Now, that's acceptable to me. Other people might have different opinions, but certainly being able to receive RTMP sources, I think, is going to be a good thing if this could be built into future iterations of the Wirecast product suite. Anyway, that's all for now. I just thought I'd show you that it is possible, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.